right, y'all. So I'm in Mississippi at my mom's house doing a little garden tour. Oh, okay, getting pushed around by the dogs. But we had a question on the channel once about how do you get rid of moles or voles. So she actually had this problem, so I wanted her to tell you herself how she was able to get rid of them. Alright, so this is Dr. Nashlie with the Garden of Nash, and this is my mother. Hello, mother.
Hello, darling.
So we had a question about how to get rid of moles and voles, and they're the dogs. So you're gonna tell us. So go ahead.
Well, my remedy for getting rid of voles, we have voles, and they're moles. I thought I had moles, but I actually had voles. I found out that when I would buy plants every year, and they would suddenly disappear.
Okay.
And year after year, hundreds of dollars later, is when I did my research. You have to be a student of your own garden. When I did my research, I found out I had voles. Voles eat vegetation. So all of my peppers used to disappear. My squash, my cucumbers, just wondered, my blueberry plants, just gone. So then when I found out that I had voles, I did my research. And these are some of the remedies that I use to get rid of the voles. These are mint. This is mint. I got peppermint and I have spearmint in the garden. And sometimes I just snap one off and throw it in the garden. Just snap it off and throw it in the garden. And then you can also plant the mint in your garden. Be careful for the mint. It is invasive. It will take over. Make sure where you plant your mint, it is where you want your mint. You can just have a mint garden if you want, but you will be pulling it out every year.
It smells so good.
It's delicious, and it's great for teas and all kind of dishes. So then I planted rosemary, but this is thyme. I would plant thyme, and when I get the thyme, I would put it, divide it up, just take it out, and just divide it up into maybe 3 or 4 pieces and plant it in the garden. The voles don't like thyme in my garden. Also, I also use the castor oil. Now I would do, my friends used to eat up my cotton balls, but I don't put a whole cotton ball because I'm frugal or economical. I would divide my cotton balls up into 2, maybe 3 pieces. Depends on how big the cotton ball is.
They second that.
And then I would pour my castor oil. Just a little, because it's a very thick oil and it goes a long way. So I would mix it up. And I would put it where I think the voles are, where I know where they are. Or I would use my fish fertilizer. It stinks so bad that the voles, they just run from this. So, of course, you follow the directions.
Do you smell it?
It is awful. I use it once a month per instructions, and it smells for the first day, but they make them run, and they don't hang around. So what I do with my cotton balls, you have to do your own strategic planning with your cotton balls, because I have little companions in my garden who love to eat things. Everything that's in my garden, I make sure that it's pet friendly. I never put anything in my garden that's not.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go and put these, show you where I place them.
All right.
I used to just put them down in the garden, like so. Just throw them in. And then my friends would come behind me and eat them up. And that's not gonna work. So what I decided to do was put them so they can't see them. Even though they smell them, my friends, they won't see them. But the smell makes the bones go away.
Okay. Well, thank you, Mother, for that little pro tip there. All right, y'all. That's how you get rid of them, the voles and the moles. And we talked about different methods. So, thank you so much. All right, so thanks for tuning in to the Garden of Nash. It's Dr. Nashlie. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, check out more tips. We want to make sure that you all are starting your garden. So have you started your garden yet?
Bye-bye.
Come join us